In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a bearing memory on the digital compass feature of your Casio Pro PRG240 watch. This is module 3246. This video should also work if you've got module 3173. So let's go into it real quick. If I press the compass button, you'll notice it takes me into my digital compass. I've got a thick line here that's always going to point to the north. I've got a directional indicator up here showing me the direction that I'm facing, east, northeast. I've got my degrees that I'm facing, and then I've got my current time at the bottom. That's your basic compass feature. But the other thing you can do is you can set what's called bearing memory. Bearing memory is kind of like a sight and go feature. You're out hiking, you're walking a certain direction, you want to lock in that direction so you can always navigate back and stay on course for that. Maybe you're looking at something out in the distance, a barn or a mountaintop, something like that, and you always want to make sure that you're navigating towards that. That's where you would set bearing memory. Now you'll notice that my screen has gone to dots. The one unfortunate thing about this watch is it only does the compass for 20 seconds. So if you're in the compass mode, it'll work for 20 seconds. After that, it'll take you to this screen. You have to press the compass button again to restart it. This time when we start it, we're going to set bearing memory. So I've started my compass. I'm out navigating. I want to always head this direction. All I'm going to do is I'm going to press the adjust button. And you'll notice when I do that, it's showing a degree up here, and it is locked in that position at 48 degrees. Now as I navigate, I only have two lines. I have my north indicator, and now I've got another line that will always point to my bearing memory location. You'll also see that I've got my current degrees that I'm facing, as well as my bearing degree that's showing here. Let me start it again. It will remember that bearing location until you clear it. So you can keep navigating. You can see right now I'm heading right exactly to the bearing location. So that's basically what the bearing does. You'll always have a north indicator, and then you'll always have a pointer that will point you back to that bearing spot. When you're ready to clear your bearing location, now remember we see degrees up here in the upper right. That tells us that we've got bearing memory saved. All we have to do is while we're in the compass functionality, we're going to simply press the adjust button again, and that will clear it and take us back to the regular compass mode. Now, if we wanted to set another bearing location, we would just simply press the adjust button to lock it in. It'll stay locked in until we press adjust to clear it. Pretty simple stuff. That is how we set a bearing memory on our Casio Pro PRG240 watch. I hope the video helps.